Hi everyone! Let me present the user instruction and precautions of CADEBOT. If you are using CADEBOT for the first time, please contact our technical support team to make the activation. Please ensure a clearance of minimum 2.7 meters floor height to unbox CADEBOT. Remove the cartoon box with 2 people at same time. Then take out the documents and charging adapter. It requires 2 people to lift CADEBOT out. Please lift from both sides of the base. Remove the robot's protective film and place the drain mat. The packing list includes 1 complete build-up unit for PC's drain mat, 50 PCs locating QR code stickers, an electronic user manual, 1 charging dock, 1 certificate of compliance, 1 warranty card, 1 charging adapter. Turn on the power switch at the front of the robot base. The base will blink with green light. Then press the power button at the rear end of the robot base. The base will blink blue light, indicating the robot is powering on. Peel off the screen film. Select the native language you're using. Note, it requires basic settings when initiating. Connect to the network. Enter the password. Click Next once network connected successfully. Connect to the server. Read the privacy policy and user agreement. Then proceed. During startup, the robot will self-check its major sensors to ensure all sensors are functioning properly.
Today is also a beautiful day. Let's work hard together.
Charge CADEBOT with charging adapter. The robot will blink green light, indicates it is charging. Alternatively, push the robot to the charging dock for charging after power off, or press the emergency button when power on. Long press the power button, which is at the rear end of the base, for more than 3 seconds to turn off the robot. You may shut down the robot as well in settings. About, click the shutdown symbol and click confirm.
Goodbye. Look forward to seeing you soon.
If one using the robot for a long term, please turn off the power switch at the front end of the base.